Most people get this wrong. They think survey sites will replace a job or pay big money fast. That's not how this works, and that's exactly why so many beginners quit too early. Here's the truth no one tells you. Survey sites are small, steady earning tools. Not salary replacement. But if you use the right platforms and the right strategy, they can actually give you consistent extra cash every week with almost zero skill required. In this video, you'll learn the best beginner-friendly survey sites in 2026, how much you can realistically earn, and how to avoid the common traps that waste your time. If you've ever tried surveys before and felt it was slow or confusing, this will fix that. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand how survey sites work. Companies need real opinions from users before launching products. So they pay platforms, and those platforms pay you a small share for your answers. That's it. Simple system. But the key is choosing the right platforms. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all survey sites are equal. Some are overloaded with users and barely send surveys. Others have better payouts but stricter screening. So beginners need a mix, not just one app. One of the most beginner-friendly options is Swagbucks. It offers surveys, small tasks, and bonus rewards. The reason beginners like it is because even if you don't qualify for one survey, you still have other ways to earn inside the app. Think of someone like Alex who logs in during breaks and collects small points that slowly build up into gift cards or cash. But here's the problem with Swagbucks alone. The payout per survey can feel low, and you won't always qualify. That's why smart users combine it with other platforms. Another strong option is Toluna Influencers. This one focuses more on opinion-based surveys. It feels a bit more structured, and users like Jake often report more consistent survey availability once their profile is fully filled out. Now here's where most people fail. They skip profile setup. They rush in and start clicking surveys without completing their demographics. That leads to fewer matches and frustration. If you want more surveys, you must fully complete your profile on every platform. A third option is Inbox Dollars. It is beginner-friendly and pays in cash instead of points, which makes it easier to understand. The downside is that some surveys can be long. But the advantage is reliability. You usually get more consistent opportunities compared to smaller apps. Now let's talk strategy, because this is where most beginners lose time. First, always use at least 2 or 3 survey sites. Never rely on one. Second, do short surveys first to build momentum. Third, check apps at consistent times daily, because many surveys have limited slots. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest routine that helps beginners maximize earnings without wasting hours. Here's a simple daily method. Spend 10 to 20 minutes on Swagbucks, then switch to Inbox Dollars for another 10 minutes, and finally check Toluna once. That's it. No need to sit for hours. The goal is consistency, not marathon sessions. But here's the reality check. You are not going to earn hundreds per day from surveys. Most beginners earn small amounts like a few dollars per day, sometimes more with bonuses or high-paying surveys. The real value is side income, not full income. If you stay consistent for a week, you'll start noticing which platforms work best for your location and profile. That's when earnings become more stable. So to summarize, survey sites in 2026 still work, but only if you treat them realistically. Swagbucks, Toluna Influencers, and Inbox Dollars are solid beginner choices. Complete your profile, use multiple apps, and stay consistent with short daily sessions. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment with your experience using survey sites, and subscribe for more real earning breakdowns without hype.